Hi everyone, it's So Blessed. Welcome to my channel. Today I am out here trying to harvest as much as I can. Temperatures are swinging back and forth, up and down, I guess you should say, so drastically. I don't know what's going to happen to my plants, but today's the day. We're going to get what we can, and then tomorrow's another day. We'll figure it out. So hang out with me for a little bit while I do a little bit of harvesting. Really had no plan to harvest my kale today, but I guess I will clean these up and store these in the freezer. At least I will be able to enjoy them at a later date. Not a bad harvest. We're gonna move on to try to get some of these tomatoes off. We'll get the ones that are blushing because the critters are, I guess they're helping themselves before the weather gets too cold, but we'll get the ones that are blushing, and then the ones that are too green, we'll just see what they look like tomorrow. Well, basil doesn't take too kindly to cold weather, and it's an annual, so no, it's not going to come back. It'll have to be replanted, so I'm going to get what I can off the basil plants, at least those that needs to be harvested anyway. And look at this. The critter, while he was helping himself to tomatoes, kind of broke off one of my plants, but hey, it is what it is. We'll get the basil and keep it moving. Pepper plant is still, these are banana peppers, they're still producing prolifically. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the ones that are yellow and leave the ones that are green and see what happens. Push come to shove, I can come back and get them green. They just won't have the profound flavor as they do when they're fully ripe, but I'm gonna get all the yellow ones today and keep it moving. Well, these are some of the strip basil stems that I just stuck into these Dollar Tree planters, along with a couple of these Swiss chard plants. And I definitely need to take most of this. I'm going to take all the big leaves today. These are, see, these basil stems, you remember when I stuck these in there? They are getting quite tall, so I'm going to chop those down as well. Here's a nice little harvest. Not too bad. I got most of the kale. I'm sorry, not kale, Swiss chard and basil. I got a few of those blushing tomatoes in here. I even got a couple of cucumbers as well. And not a bad harvest. Definitely need to harvest some of my mint here. I got 3 different kinds here. I got my labels because I can't always remember what is what. So I'm gonna rinse these and dry these off, and I can store them away, no problem. Unscheduled harvest, no problem. But that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this small harvest, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Happy gardening, guys. Have a great day.